In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Charles Schwab order. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, log into your account and then go top and press trade. Just hover over it and then click on open over here. Now once you do this, you will see all your open orders. There's only one here in this screenshot, and what you should do is press cancel down below over here bottom right, and once you press this, you want to confirm it by pressing cancel order yet again. Now after you do this, it will say cancel request, and it will only say your cancel request has been received. This doesn't mean that your order is canceled already. It is still in the process of being canceled. So you just want to press close over here, and then to check whether it's now canceled or not, you want to go back to trade, hover over that, and then go to order status, click on order status, and in here you will be able to see your order that you just canceled, and if it says closed over here bottom left, that means your order has been successfully canceled. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.